Good morning once again, everybody. So we are about to leave. I don't know, but I think in a few minutes from now, maybe 5 to 15 minutes, we're gonna be leaving. And I just want to show you the hotel. It's Karakoram Highway in Hunsa Hotel and Restaurant. Feel at your home. My God, the reality of the traveling is sinking in. Oh, fresh na. Ay, gising lang kanina. Grabe yung mga bagahe nila. O dahil 8 days. Dahil ako isang taon ako magbabackpack. But yeah, so let's see how this days goes. Sabi nila, once again, that we are heading to Skardu and we're gonna be staying there for 2 nights. But again, since day one, may letter D yung one. Since day one, all the information that was provided to me was wrong. So, go na lang. Yun yung goal ko for today is just go lang ng go. Hayaan mo na kung saan ka dadalhin. So yun nga. I'm gonna see you today and without further ado, let's do this. Hoy, look at all the luggages. Grabe, oh, daming luggage. Ito lang yung sa akin, this one. This black. Yun na yan, good for 1 year na yan. Still want to share with you like the beautiful view that I have here in Hunsa, Pakistan. So it's time check, it's 9:05 in the morning. And this is how the place looks like. Ay, wait, I'm gonna pick up my I reserved something pala. Pinalamig ko. Puntahan natin, pero mamaya ko na kukuhanin. I think napakita ko na to yesterday also before we left. Oh, ayan. Very short lang kasi alam ko na vlog ko na to. So, ayun na nga about yesterday. So, I was not able to go to Pak China border because of the misunderstanding with the tour guide. Anyways, let's leave that because yesterday was really good. It ended up really, really well because Hanif, if you remember the guy who invited me, it was like one of the best days here in Hunsa. So, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna see you today, everybody. I'll update you. Let me just show you like a very quick tour in our hotel. It's very small, just like this. That's it. And here, this is where they were having the bonfire for the last 2 nights, but I was not able to attend any of that event because I was just sleeping. So every time na pag-uwi talaga namin, dahil mag-dinner lang ako, tapos ayun na, gusto ko na magpahinga agad because grabe pagodan siya sobra. So ayun, sana nag-focus ka sa akin, di ba? Ay, and see, ayun na, nilalagay niya na lang yung bags there. See, just wanna show you like how they put it there. Oh, see. Ayan, very quick lang. Good morning. Say hi. Good morning. Morning. Go. Hoy, alam mo, habang naglo-load sila ng aming mga luggages, mag-walk-walk lang muna ako dito. Site natin kung anong meron. Ganda ka, oh. Skincare reveal. Safeguard. Hay, totoo, legit. Wala akong skincare. 8 hours a day na sleep dapat required. I don't smoke. I don't drink. Oh. Tapos pag na-stress, mag-shopping. Ganon. Para hindi ka magka-pimple. Pero when I travel, automatic magkaka-pimple ako. O, ayan. Mag-video-video lang tayo. Video-video. Very Filipino yung accent ko, no? Video-video. Gusto niyo yun? Ay, ito. Another sari store tour. But this is like a grocery na. Grocery na here. Ayan. Ayan mga kailangan. Kailangan natin yung pang-travel wipes. Isa yan sa mga requirements natin. May birthday candles. O, alam niyo na. In case na nandito kayo, gusto niyo mag-celebrate ang birthday, ayan, may mabibilan dito. So, ayan. That's it. Just a very quick, very quick, ay, mayroon pala sila niya. Wait nga. Ang ganda pala ng view dito, shucks. Oh, ayun, nakita niyo yan? Oh, ayan. That's the sari-sari store na pinuntahan natin. Ay, ang ganda naman pala ng view. Umakyat lang ako ng kaunti. Oh, that's the hotel. Oh, see? Ganda pala ng view, oh. Magreklamo ako sa'yo. Shoota yung autofocus ko, ayaw. Focus ka sa akin. Ikaw na nga lang nagko-focus sa akin. Titiwalag ka pa, buwisit kang camera ka. Oh, everybody. So here is what's happening to us right now. So I think the radiator makes sabog. So at least ganun lang yung accident, diba? Kesa naman yung well. So ayun. We're in the middle of the mountain. Tapos ayan, sumabog yung radiator. O see, nandito kami. It's so hot. But it's part of the journey. So, okay, I'll just go inside, take rest. Time check tayo. We left the hotel around 9:30. So it's 1 in the afternoon now. 10, 11, 12. So we've been traveling by land for 4 hours. Najijiro na naman ako dahil. Hoy, alam mo, confirm na to. I really have high altitude sickness. Lalo na pag liko-liko man siya, So, ayan. So, I don't know what they will do, but everyone is outside. All the boys are outside. So, I hope they can come up with something. Kasi ang ginit man dito dahil, Oh, everybody, so we're gonna be here like, for the next 45 hours? 45. Oh, 45 hours now. Discovery Channel. So we're gonna be here like the next 45 hours to fix this. To fix this before they can fix the car. So we're gonna be best friend. Nangungulit. So ayan. No signal. It's hot here. And we're like 2 to 3 hours away from the town. So, diba? Ha?
Show them the view.
Nothing to see. I already showed it earlier. Yeah. So, ayan. Hi, everybody. So, look where we are now. So, I think, because there are lots of other tourist buses as well. So I think the tourist guide and the driver communicated to the other drivers as well that we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So I think they unload the passengers of the bus who picked us up and bring us somewhere where it's more comfortable. And see what happened, like from the 40-degree no signal in the middle of nowhere, we are now here. Let me show you this beautiful place now. Tignan mo. Hoy, tignan niyo. Everybody look at this. Like, where did they bring us? Oh, see, there's, ano ba? Where's the waterfall? There. And the water goes here, and it's so fresco here, and it's beautiful. See? And here is everybody. So we are all here. Para kami naging evacuee, ganon. Oh, so ayun. So again, because it's gonna take like, we don't know, 3 to 4 hours they said, but I think it's gonna be more than that. So, but it's okay because we have a good place here, so it doesn't matter. But we're gonna be late in our next destination, which is gonna be Skardu, but that's fine. As long as it's cold, it's fresco, and we can eat. I think there's a restaurant here as well, so I'm gonna go there as well to check something because I want to eat also. Hoy, syempre, alam mo na, paka-ilamera tayo ng taon. Let's go inside and check what we can see here. I'm hungry though, let's eat. Pag nagugutom, kumain. Wala daw menu, nilaloko mo ako. Patingin, dali na. Huwag mo ako nilaloko dyan, nananakit ako. Grab it, daka. Daka, oh. Hi! How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Ay, see, that's the bus who helped us. See, now they're going with their passengers. Thank you to them. It's Travel with Zonair. Zonair, basta. If you're watching this, thank you very much. Hi, gusto ko to. Alam niyo yung mga niluluto. Hello! Alam mo na, mang-iintriga na naman tayo there. This is the best friend, nangungulit. Mutton karay.
Mutton karay, honey?
Yes.
You eat mutton karay?
Yes.
Half?
You not eat? Full and then we have. Ganda ko, gago. Binilad ako ng almost 1.5 hours sa sa 40 degree na walang AC, tapos gitna ng bundok, pero ang ganda ko pa din. Dapat ganito. Hello! Hi! Hoy, ako may nakikita na naman ako. Alam mo talaga, ang gwapo dito kahit kayo nang bahala humanap. Kung nakikita nyo man, i-feature ko yan later. Ako pa ba? Excuse me. Titingin. Titingin yan. Titingin niya. Ayan. Ganun dapat, everybody. Diba? Dapat, tayo, lande in all circumstances. Diba? Masiraan ka man ng sasakyan, maglandi ka. Ganon. Diba? Madelay man kayo ng 5 hours sa destination nyo.
Also available dal mash.
Okay, dal. Dal and chicken. Ask them, everyone. Share.
Okay.
Diba? Maglandi ka. Ituloy mo ang paglalandi. Huwag mo maglandi again. Maglandi ka hanggat masarap ka. Dahil ang ganda na expired. Yes. So, sulitin mo yan. Hanggat makinis ka, lumandi ka. You know, he's good guy. He give us discount. How much? Kinot off ko siya. Sabi ko, give us discount. I will feature you. How much discount now? Nay? Wala. Give us discount na. Ang kulat. Ito na yung gwapo. Wait lang. Naku, talaga naman. You give us discount? Sure? How much? Are you sure? 30 rupees? Nay, need camera. Joke. Okay. There is better. So it's called, so ayun, nagkaintindihan na, maglaps na raw kami. Naloloka na ako. Go.
Sit there.
Everybody, once again, while we are waiting for the food, let me just show you where we are now. See, it's beautiful. Amazing. Diba? I told you. Kaya if anything bad happens to you, trust me, something good is happening. It might not be today, might not be tomorrow, but trust me, it's coming. In my case, napadali lang siya within just few hours. Ayan na, diba? See? Hindi kasi ako nagreklamo, kaya ayan, binibiyayaan tayo ni Lord. Huwag kayo masyadong mareklamo sa buhay. Yes, don't complain too much. You will not receive blessing if you keep complaining. Mag-work lang always, ganon. Keep moving forward, laban. Hoy, adventure time! Sumama tayo sa mga kalokohan nito. Let's go, everybody, let's do this. Punta kami doon, Go, laban.
तो बैग उनका ऊपर दिया जाता है उधर रास्ता बनाया सारा
Meron kami. Yung di namin alam kung paano kami pupunta. Bumalik na lang tayo, tara na. May good.
very dangerous place
Dangerous, Dai, pag nalaglag ka dyan, let's go back. Change of plans. Ang ganda pa naman dun, Kaso wag na, Dai. Baka hindi na tayo, baka makita kami ng St. Peter's, wag na, let's go. Everybody, time check, it's 4:30. I think na may itsura ko, mukha na akong tanga. Pero, ay, ganun talaga. So, almost 2 hours pa daw. 2 more hours pa daw bago magawa yung car. So, eto, naglalakad ako. Alam mo na, makikichika tayo with locals. Hello! Assalamualaikum! Ayan, nakikipasyal tayo sa mga farm. You know that I love village life, so let's do this. Hi! Can I go down here? Hi! Assalamualaikum! Hello, say hi! Hi! Alam mo na, nakikifarm tayo. Can I go there? Okay, let's go. Paano? Alam mo na, ha? So, mga ginagawa ko talaga sa buhay ko. Okay. Ay, hinatak niya ako. Go. Hinatak niya ako. Sabi niya, okay, go, let's go. Baka matapakan ko yung mga pananim. Ay, wag natin tapakan. Hi! Maglakad-lakad lang tayo. Nag-i-invade tayo ng... Nako, talagang ginagawa ko. Hello, can we shake the hands? Hi! There's one more. Sabi ko sa inyo, wag natin tapakan yung pananim kasi pinaghihirapan nila to. Hello, assalamualaikum. How are you? I just sit here with you, okay? Makikiupo lang tayo, ganun lang. Nag-aano sila, wait. Yung tubig. Kailangan yung tubig magpunta pababa. So, okay, me. Okay, it's my turn. Can you? It's okay. Just hold it. Yes, me. Okay, go. Let's do this. Ay! Wag natin tapakan.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay, go. Like this? Ay, legit. I told you the village life is for me. I mean, not now, but wag natin tapakan. Ay! Dito daw. Like this. Okay, go. Okay. Hoy! Go. More? Okay, I'm tired na. Go. Good? Good daw. Good? Okay, good. Until here?
Yeah.
Ay, pinatapos, charos. Okay, more. Here also, no?
It's good.
Ay, wait. Hindi mo kaya, pinag-video ko yung lokal. Ganun talaga when you travel alone. Me like good. Wait, pagod na ako. I'm tired na. Wait, gusto kong matapos siya. Not good? Good, right? Oh, good. Okay, good. Good daw. Sana okay yung footage. My God, magkano kaya yung... Pagod. Tapusin natin to.
Okay, Daddy.
Ay, see the water. See? Ang galing ko, I finished it. Good. Done. I love it. Tama na to. Everybody look. Ang ginawa ko. See? The water here. Diba? I'm so good. Good. Okay.
Mama.
Hi! See, ganun lang. Artista. Ang ganda ng bata. Your daughter?
No.
No? Beautiful. Jamila? Basta. Kusum. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Hoy, nang gulo lang ako. Ano ba yan? Thank you. Okay, balik. Me? Good. Right? I told you, I'm ready for village life. Hindi lang ngayon. So, hindi pa pala ready. Okay, go. Let's go back. Gusto ko itong mga patubig. Ay! Hoy, lumulubog! Wait lang. Lumulubog yung lupa. Hoy, lumulubog yung lupa. Wait lang. Okay. I changed my mind. Ayoko na pala ng village. Bayan. Ang aga akong si St. Peter's died. Lumubog yung lupa. Wait. I clean. Ay, it's gone. Bye! Okay, let's go. Nanggulo lang ako, di ba? Makita niyo lang yung struggle ko, see? Aakit ako dyan. Kaya ko yan. Nakababa nga ako eh. Okay, wait, let's go. Mga pinagagagawa ko. Magbisi-bisihan tayo. 2 hours pa eh. 5 hours na kaming stranded. Ay, magka 5 hours, mga ganon. Kuya, ang ganda ng farm nila, oh. Ang cute, oh, nakakaano. Gusto ko talaga yung mga ganyan, yung may mga bato-batong white. Para ka nanonood ng Harry Potter. Mga ganong eksena. Sana may tao, i-invade natin yan. Di ba, di mo kaya yung house tour. Ay, farm tour, ganon. Another trip. Ayan na. Pauwi na kami. So, we're gonna go back home, but we'll find the fastest ride. So, makikiangkas tayo, makikilift tayo. Hi! Ganon. No, we will go back. Magkano nga tayo eh. Ayoko nang, gusto ko yung mga truck-truck. Ayoko ng mga kotse-kotse. Gusto ko yung mga truck. Huwag tayo dyan. Kasi I like truck. Small truck. Huwag tayo sa mga kotse. Hindi ko bet yan masyado. Ay, wag naman yung big truck. Small lang. Uy. Grabe yung dala ng truck na yun, no? Heart na may tsura ko. Grabe, oh. Grabe kasi yung hangin dito. Hindi nakaka-fresh. Ay, see the view, everybody, oh. Diba? Para ka na-stuck sa ano, alam mo sa Walking Dead, ganun. I told you, nakahanap tayo agad na, me in the front, nakahanap na tayo agad ng lift. Assalamualaikum! How are you?
Fine.
Okay, good. We right there. Okay. Diba? Ganon. Ganon lang dapat. The village life is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. See, yeah.
Going to Chicago?
Nay. Only here. Yeah.
इधर जो थे ना ये आगे स्टॉप है
See? I told you, but you didn't listen to my told you, come with me, everything will be an adventure. We are back, everybody. Look at what we've done. Thank you so much. Ay, ang taray naman talaga. Thank you. Ganun lang. See, we're back. Naka-adventure na kami. Pumunta tayo doon. Everybody, so let me just like show you like how dangerous the road is here. So like we've been traveling in this kind of situation for almost like 2 hours now. So there will be like a lot of cautions, like falling rocks and landslides. So that's it, everybody. I mean, I really hope that the destination is worth it, because my God, I'm risking my life literally here every minute because accident here. I think I can say 9 out of 10. Nakakaloka. But you know what's a good thing? Ever since I arrived here, I did not see any tourist bus or any tourist transportation who were on accident. Basta ganon. It's past 7 here, okay, Umarte. My English is finished. Usually it's private cars who's getting to accidents because the drivers, I think, for the tourist buses are really skilled, and you will notice that, honestly. See? Just more of the place. I mean, it also looks good, honestly, but like deep in my heart, I'm also scared. Like, kasi you will see like a lot of, alam mo yun, yung parang mga bakas ng aksidente. And you can also see like a lot of possible accidents that can happen. See? Like a lot of falling, fell rock. Nalaglag na yun. So fell rock, ganon. Gusto mo ka nalaglag na ba to? But, I mean, you can trust Pakistani drivers, I think, I can say they are really good. Diba? Di sila natatakot, oo. Ay, naririnig nyo ba yan? Hoy, diba ang saya, look? Ayun, nauna na sila sa amin. Ang happy. See, everybody, imaginein mo yan, ha? So, ayun. So, alam mo, when I was a kid, like my mom, di ba nag-story time tayo bigla. Just so you know, when I was a kid, when I travel with my mom, never kami umuupo like in front and at the back of the bus. We're always in the middle. So, ayun. I mean, the place is rewarding once again. It's beautiful. The view is amazing. For today, we're Roxology. Roxology. It's scary talaga. I think pag pumunta kayo dito naman kapag winter, avalanche naman yung yung kalaban mo. Kapag summer, like now, bato naman. So, mamili ka na lang kung paano kayo makikita ni St. Peter's. It's either like the bato or the snow. Parang sa snow, mas scary dahil. Diba? Para malamig ka. Diba? Sana nagpo-focus ka, diba? Ay, tingnan mo naman ang itsura ko, Shoota ka. Ay, kinis ko, Pero may itsura ko, Shoota ka, yung hangin nakakaloka. Ay, it's 7:11. The time is 7:11. Ayan, ang bus namin. Diba? Ganyan yung situation ko for the last 4 days. Wala akong naiintindihan. Tingnan mo yung front namin. Maraming road na nasisira. Go, Tay. Laban mo yan. Hindi ko naman gets yung chika nila. So, pag tumawa, tawa ka na lang din. Ganon. Pag pumalakpak, palakpak ka lang din. Ganon lang. Everybody, time check. It's 7:39 in the evening here. Hoy, again, look at the place. Like, see? There's a lot of rocks that fell. Ayan siya. Wait, everybody, if you notice that my vlog is putol-putol because they are making music inside the car. And I cannot film that. I mean, if I film while there is a sound, makaka-copyright ako. So, ayan. I'm just trying to do my best to film as much as possible. So, ayun. But may clip, but ay nga lang, my vlog will be like putol-putol or it's gonna be like jumping to another clip from somewhere, biglang somewhere, so something like that. But I hope you're still gonna enjoy this because I'm still trying to capture as much as I can despite of my seat location, despite of the situation and everything that's happening. So again, that's it. I don't know how far are we from the location, but see, I think it's beautiful actually, it's beautiful. Uy, grabe, first time ko to, like for the last 4 days. Alam mo yung land travel namin, around 12 hours. Alam mo yung halos kalahating araw ka nagbabiyahe everyday. Kakapagod. Yung parang, hindi na usong maging fresh dito, ma. Kailangan ano na lang. Kailangan, stay pretty, ganon. So, ayan. Pagod na talaga ako dahil for the last 4 days. Parang bugbog na yung katawan ko. Antara. Ito yung yung mga moment na, hoy, tama ba yung desisyon na pinili mo? Pagod dahil ito naman itsura ko. Oh, grabe. Buti na lang ang kinis ko. Di ba? Stay positive. Dapat ganon. Mukhang dumating na kami sa aming destination, everybody. Look. That's the hotel and I'm so tired. Parang ready na akong yung pagbaba ng bus, tulog na lang. Ganon. Anyways, we have arrived. Time check, it's 9 in the evening. Tama ba 9? 9 ba? Oh yeah, it's 9. So ayun, okay. Mag-aayos na ako dahil boilog na talaga ako. Everybody, so that's gonna be all for today. So dito na kami sa hotel and katapos ko lang maligo, makapag-dinner na rin. Ay, ganda. Wala. Hoy, ganito dito, namamatay-matay man yung ilaw. So ayan, wala kaming kuryente at the moment. But everybody, we have arrived. So ito na, sobrang pagod na ako. Grabe yung nangyari today, no? Yung nasiraan kayo in the middle of the mountain. Pwede na lang maganda yung nangyari. Siyempre gagagawa ko sa buhay today. Ay, sobrang pagod na ako, sorry. So we'll continue this vlog tomorrow. I'll show you what the hotel looks like. Tapos kung anong ganap for tomorrow. So again, this is Kate Toretto. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlogan and you do have a great day. Oh, see? Mailaw na ulit. I told you. Diba? Bye-bye.